Hi viewers, after this COVID-19, we are always indoors. Unless it is really necessary for us to go out, we don't go. We are always in house. It's a good opportunity for us to try out all these nice recipes that we are doing here now at the moment. Actually, I'm going to do a apple pudding for you and it's going to be something delicious, very tasty. So we will see how it's going to be done. To make this apple pudding, we need cake. So we need about 2 cups of cake. I need butter cake, 2 cups. I have crushed the butter cake. I made butter cake and then I have crushed it. Of course, when I say butter cake, all of you know how to make the butter cake because I have already done butter cake for you all. Along with that, I need biscuits. So biscuit, that is 1.5 cups. This 1.5 cups of biscuits, which I am going to soak it in half a cup milk. After I soak this in the milk, I put this also into this. So mix these two together. If you like, you can make only with the cake crumb, right? Now I need some fruits into it. That is candied peel. That about 30 grams of candied peel I have taken. Then I have taken sultanas also. That's also about 30 grams I have added. Now I have got apple. Half an apple I have taken, just chopped it, put a little lime before it becomes discolored. Just mix it with that and keep it. Now I need spices. I hope you can see spices. Cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, that is powdered. About half a teaspoon I am using. I need sugar, roughly about 4 teaspoons. Now I need egg. Slightly beat it. 1 egg. And that also we put. Along with that, a little salt I will put. One more thing I have to use now. I have got the butter which I have to melt it and add it into this. So we will put this butter. About 50 grams of butter I have taken. Melt this butter so that we can use it straight away because no beating is done here. All mixing. So the butter has to melt. Just slightly warm it up till the butter melts and that also we add it. The important thing is apple juice. Cordial, apple cordial or apple juice if you can get, or even apple you can blend it and take the juice, mix it nicely. That is also about half a cup. Mix it well. Right. Last of all, I am using the cherries, glazed cherries, and keep this ready for us. Now what I am going to do is I take a nice baking tray, butter this nicely, the baking tray. Now what I am going to do is I will put this mixture into the baking tray which I have buttered, slightly buttered. Press it into this. Now what I am going to do is, this is apples. These apple slices I will put it after 10 minutes of baking this. 10 minutes in a moderate temperature I am going to bake this. After baking only I am going to add the apple pieces. Okay. So we will bake this now. 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit, you bake it for, now you have to see 180 and we have to bake for 10 minutes. Now we will take this out. Now what I am going to do is I am going to put this apple slices in it. Now we arrange the apple slices in this. I have put a little lime into this, over this, so that it won't become discolored. Now what I am going to do is, now we are going to bake it now. So since we are going to bake it, put a little sugar on top of the apple slices. Now I have put the sugar on top. I am going to bake this again for another 15 minutes. Bake for 15 minutes and take it. It's ready. We will take it out and see how the apple cake looks like. Oh, it's warm. Now I am going to decorate with a little bit of cashew nuts colored in green. Now I am going to slightly decorate with a few more cherries. This apple pudding is ready to serve. So either you can have it warm or you can keep it in the fridge and take it. That is, in one of the shelves you keep it in the fridge. When it's cool, we would love it, because normally a pudding we like to have it cool. So try it out and see how it comes. My version of apple pudding. And of course, next time with another episode, I will come back, and I hope you will also see that. Thank you.